In the meantime, the legality of the highest court in the land in terms of proper composition now stands on shaky ground. It is only 2 months to go before Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court, David Maraga, retires. With Justice Jackton Ojwang already retired, Maraga's exit will see the number of Supreme Court judges drop to 5, which is a minimum threshold for the court to be properly constituted before any matter can be heard and determined. So what happens should any of the 5 judges be indisposed? Minority Whip in the National Assembly, Junet Mohamed, is accusing Maraga of deliberately creating a potential crisis. ATN senior political reporter Duncan Haimba explains.
In the next 2.5 months, the head of judiciary, President of the Supreme Court, and Chief Justice David Maraga will proceed on terminal leave pending his retirement on January 12th next year. But it is his exit that will see the Supreme Court walk a tightrope, with a possibility of plunging the court into a crisis should something go wrong. Some members of parliament accusing the Chief Justice for failing to bow out earlier.
Precedent was set by the President of the previous Supreme Court, the President of the Court, and the Chief Justice, Honorable Willie Mutunga. He left office, Mr. Speaker, 6 months before the expiry of his term, Mr. Speaker, for good governance purposes, so that the judiciary can have time and space to go through the process of nominating through the JSC the new Chief Justice, Mr. Speaker.
According to Minority Whip Junet Mohamed, CJ Maraga has confirmed his departure date from office and seems not keen on managing his transition.
The Chief Justice told the committee in my presence that I am going to leave on 12th of January at midnight. That is when my term is ending. Before that, I'm in office. He even said, I am going to go on terminal leave on 12th of December for 1 month. But even that 1 month, I'm just on leave. I'm still working from home. It's a record. The answers are there. In fact, the issue was raised there that he has, for the 4 years he has been the Chief Justice, he has never gone on leave. So they were saying accumulatively, he has 4 months to go for leave. So the 4 months will have begun in August. I don't know whether his advisory now is valid, Mr. Speaker.
Article 163 of the Constitution states the Supreme Court shall consist of Chief Justice as President of the Court, the Deputy Chief Justice, and 5 other judges. It goes ahead to explain the Supreme Court shall be properly constituted for the purposes of its proceedings if it is composed of 5 judges. Now, here is the catch. In February, Justice Professor Jackton Ojwang left office after attaining retirement age, and in the next 2.5 months, the CJ will follow suit, reducing the number of judges to 5, which is the quorum that is required for the court to be properly constituted. This means, should the status quo remain and any of the 5 judges fail to report for duty, then the court cannot transact its business. Already, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu is embroiled in a vicious legal battle with the Director of Public Prosecution, Nurdin Haji, who is seeking to kick her out of office, which even complicates the matter further. Duncan Haimba,